So today I'm going to be showing you my post protective style wash day. So I've had my hair in these braids for about a month, and I have been kind of neglecting my hair. As you can see, it's frizzy, it's dirty, and it's in desperate need of some love. So I do this entire process in the shower. So I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair, how I detangle my hair, and also how I style my hair, because I'll be doing a wash and go for you all also in the shower. So I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So welcome to my shower, guys, and I am going to start this wash day by just going ahead and getting in the shower with the braids still in my hair. I find that doing it this way and using the water to help me detangle and take down the braids, one, helps me detangle my hair without having to pull on dry hair, as well as speeding up the process of taking down my hair, and offers me some flexibility in the speed and ease of taking down my hair, which is always amazing. So now that I have taken down that section, I'm going to just run the entire section under the water, and then I'm going to split the section in half, and I'm going to clip the front section away and then clip the back section away. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of my head. Now to get into actually washing my hair, I'm going to use the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Shampoo. It's one of my favorite shampoos to use every week, but it is especially my favorite right after a protective style, because I know my hair is going to be clean, but my hair is not going to be stripped, and my hair is not going to be overly dry after using it. Especially because my hair is already going to be sensitive, as I didn't get the chance to take it down and moisturize it and wash it like I normally would while protective styling. So the African Black Soap is perfect to get me nice and clean, but not overly stripped, and not make my hair overly dry as well. So I like to give my hair 2 good washes when I'm using the shampoo. The first wash I'll put on just to get the initial oil and dirt out of my hair, and then I'll rinse that away. And then for the second wash, I like to use that to thoroughly cleanse my hair as well as begin my detangling process. So for today, my hair started off in braids, so it shouldn't be detangled really at all, but I just always like to reinforce and detangle my hair as I go, as I move through my wash day. And as you can see here, I'm focusing on my scalp and making sure my scalp is very clean, and making sure that I actually run all the suds completely down the length of my hair. I don't believe in only washing your scalp and then letting the suds run freely. I personally like to drag the suds from root to tip. And here I'm washing my final section and just clipping that away so that we can get on to the next most important step, which is deep conditioning. And of course, I'm going to use my Melanin Hair Care Deep Conditioner. It's moisturizing, it has a ton of slip to help me with detangling, and I just love the way that my hair feels softer the moment I put it on, and it feels even more soft after I leave it on for 30 minutes. So the most important step before you move on to deep conditioning is actually turning off your water. We don't want the water to run while we're putting on our deep conditioner. It's just unnecessary. I personally like to stand in the shower and deep condition my hair there. I feel like the steam that is generated in your bathroom during your wash day, for me personally, my hair absorbs product the best when it is warm and when it is damp. So the steam in the bathroom and keeping all the doors shut while it's nice and hot in there is the perfect place to apply my deep conditioner. So that's why I usually stay in the shower and apply it there, as opposed to getting out of the shower and sitting down and taking it somewhere else. So after putting the deep conditioner on my hair, I'm going to use my brush here to help me detangle even more and just get my hair nice and completely tangle free before twisting it away to leave it to deep condition longer later. And I'm going to repeat this process to every section of my hair. I like to divide my hair in subsections, apply the deep conditioner and work that through and finger detangle. Then I like to take my brush and detangle even further, and then just add on a little extra deep conditioner for good measure before twisting up the section so that it can stay nice and detangled as you get ready for your deep conditioning process. So here you can see me finishing up my last twist, and look how good my hair is looking. You can see that the side I started with has actually started to shrink, meaning that it's absorbing some product. So that's always a good sign. So I'm gonna go put on a shower cap as well as a warm towel, and I'm gonna allow this to sit in my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes before I come back and rinse it out. And after that 30 minutes, you can definitely see that my hair absorbed that product beautifully. It's nice and shrunken. It's not as white as it was before, meaning there is less product sitting on top of my hair and more product in my hair. So I'm going to start by rinsing out the deep conditioner softly all over my head. I like to leave a little bit of my deep conditioner in my hair just for long wear, but for the most part I want to rinse it out. Now it's time to get into the styling of my hair, and I'm just going to do a wash and go. The products I use for my wash and go will be on screen as well as in the description box, but I'm not going to do an in-depth explanation of my wash and go here. Look out for my next video. There I'm going to show you my full in-shower wash and go process, and there's where I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks to get not only a bomb wash and go, but a fast bomb wash and go. But I will go ahead and let you know that me doing my wash and go in the shower like this, so I like to use the steam that has collected in my shower to help me apply my products. And personally, I find that my application is not only faster, but better when I do it that way. And you can see here my wash and go is looking good. She's looking really, I know she's looking really white and really wet. She definitely is, but I promise you she will come out good. Now that that wash and go is done, it's time to sit under the dryer. And the most important part of this step is to make sure you have your dog and your favorite Halloween themed cup. You cannot dry your hair without this, guys. Clearly I'm kidding, but I'm going to sit under the dryer for probably somewhere between an hour to 2 hours. My hair is very dense and it takes a long time to dry, so I typically have to sit under the dryer for a good bit before my hair is finished. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day and it's time for me to finish up the rest of my hair. So as you can see, I have my hair's a little flat in some places, but it is dry now. And it's ready to be styled. And this is the final step of my hair, guys, which is just stretching and shaping my hair. Again, I will be thoroughly explaining every single step of my wash and go process in my next video, but this is just to let you know that I styled my hair, I did a wash and go, and this is the finished result. It looks beautiful, it's fluffy, it has movement. Don't worry about the shape too much. I know I need to go get a haircut, but You can't deny that the curls are bomb and that the hair itself looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a like if you liked it. Be sure to comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. It would really mean a lot to me. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.